Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let us solve some important questions from compliance and regulatory. In my channel, there is a separate playlist for compliance and regulatory notes and practice questions. The playlist is CPC, Compliance and Regulatory. The link will be mentioned in the description. Let's start solving the questions. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. The first question is, what is PHI? Option A, personal history information. Option B, problem with history of infection. Option C, partial health interaction. And option D, protected health information. The right answer is option D, protected health information. PHI is defined under HIPAA as protected health information. Next question. When should an ABN be signed? This is an important question. Option A, when a service is considered medically necessary by Medicare. Option B, when a service is not expected to be covered by Medicare. Option C, routinely for any services given to a Medicare patient. Option D, after a service is denied and the patient should be billed. The right answer is option B, when a service is not expected to be covered by Medicare. So what is ABN? ABN is Advance Beneficiary Notice. It is standardized form that explains to the patient why Medicare may deny the service or procedure. Next question. What OIG document should a provider review for potential problem areas that will receive special scrutiny in the upcoming year? Option A, Compliance Program Guidance. Option B, Safe Harbor Regulations. Option C, Red Flag Rules. And option D, OIG Work Plan. The right answer is option D, OIG Work Plan. Next question. Which one is not a covered entity of HIPAA? Option A, Medicare. Option B, Workers' Compensation. Option C, Dentist. And option D, Pharmacists. The right answer is option B, Workers' Compensation. Next question. Which of the following falls under a commercial payer? Option A, Medicare. Option B, Medicaid. Option C, Blue Cross Blue Shield. And option D, all of the above are commercial payers. The right answer is option C, Blue Cross Blue Shield. There are two types of insurers, okay? One is commercial and the another is government. Commercial payers are private payers that offer both group and individual plans. Blue Cross Blue Shield organizations are private payers who usually operate in the state in which they are based. Medicare and Medicaid are government programs that help pay for healthcare. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss more tips about the CPC exam.